Jeff, you getting these lights hooked up for this fella?
Yeah.
So you got all the lights done last week and this week. Now you're getting all your timing devices.
Yeah.
So what's his homeowner request? How many hours was it?
I can put it 6 hours.
6 hours?
Yeah.
So it'll come on approximately 5, go off at 11?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. So you got your minis here. What do you got on this tree here?
This is
Candy?
Candy.
Out there you got Christmas color.
Christmas color.
This tree?
Yeah, Christmas color this tree.
Christmas here?
Yeah.
No, is it? I don't remember.
It's green.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Green and red.
Yeah.
Green and red. That's Christmas out there.
Yeah.
Frosted white, red, and green.
Yeah.
This tree behind me we just talked about was candy.
Candy, yeah.
This is multi.
Outside.
On the roof here, I see you got some of the circuit hooked up. That's your warm C7s.
C7.
Warm LED C7s. Okay. All right.
Clear the.
Got clear here. Look like this fella's got some cherry laurels need to be replaced come spring.
Yeah.
They got disease on them. But this tree.
Yeah, that one I can put this black color. Blue, red, and white.
Red, white, and blue?
Yeah.
Red, white, and blue. Okay. You got clear here. This tree is green.
Green, yeah.
Green?
Yeah.
Miss Nancy is doing this in green?
Yes, it's green.
Green? What's green in Spanish?
Verde.
Verde.
Verde. Duh, I know that. Okay, see that's verde, that's green, and then we're going to put some red berries in.
Yeah.
So we need some stringer material.
Yeah.
And maybe 12 berries, not much.
12. Yeah, 12.
12 would be good.
Yeah.
All right, and Mr. Boston's assisting. It's Mr. Boston, A.K. Boston, A.K. New Orleans. He's working in Maryland today, but he travels here and there, decorating trees all over the world. Looking good, guys. Looking good. All right, we'll check in with you guys next week. Getting this house all set up. All the timers in, finishing up the last couple trees here. It's gonna look sweet. Good work. All right, we'll take a look at this garage floor here, see what we got going on. Hey guys.
Hey.
How are you?
We're doing good. How about you?
All good, man. I hadn't seen you in a while.
I'm still here, still kicking.
Still kicking it?
Yeah.
Nice little garage.
Yeah.
20 by 20. 20 by 20. Nice looking panels.
Yeah, they got some stuff stuck to them though.
Huh?
They got some stuff stuck to them.
Oh, okay. You cleaning them up, prepping them?
Well, it's just, they painted them and just got some.
Oh, I got you.
You know what I mean?
Yep. Little paint boogers on them.
Yeah, something, yeah.
Gotcha. Looking good, looking good. Cold weather coming tonight, huh? Sunday night's gonna be really cold.
Is it?
Yeah, let's be down in the 20s. One night's supposed to be 23. It's cold early, but winter's coming.
Yeah. Wonder if we'll get snow this year, though.
Oh, I think so.
You think?
I think. You like snow?
I don't remember. Did we get any last year?
A little bit, yeah. We got some.
Yeah. I think we got like a foot or two last year, didn't we?
Probably total.
Yeah.
Average is like 21 inches of BWI.
Yeah.
But we're due to get a good winter.
Blizzard.
What's going on, buddy? How are you? Nice looking truck. You like it? Your buddy back here? No problem. How you doing, bud? No, I'm good. I'm parked. I'm just looking. No, I was just saying hello, looking at that garage, and I wasn't sure if Gary wanted to do anything with the irrigation, what he was doing. I talked to him. I talked to him early this morning. I told him I was coming up. How you doing, man?
Good.
Everything good?
Yeah.
House is getting there.
Another day in paradise.
Running off the well.
Yeah, it's the radium.
I gotcha.
Yeah, they're coming back out. It failed. It's coming back out on Monday at the county as a retest.
Yeah.
A secondary test.
I'm from the county. I'm here to help.
Yeah. we have a solution under control.
Yeah. Write us a check.
When you hear that, you run.
Yeah. You know something's going on.
Yeah.
You been busy?
Yeah, a little bit here and there. This is keeping me busy, but then I'm over in Easton right now.
Easton?
Yeah.
What you doing there?
Gary bought 8 lots from the last end of this one community.
Okay.
We sold 7 of the 8. So
you got one to do?
Well, I'll settle with my first one out of the 8 early next month.
Oh, okay, I got you.
Yeah.
Okay, I misunderstood
I started there about August, July.
You still living over there, right?
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
You like it over there?
Love it.
Yeah.
My wife's ready. She's ready to sell and move over here.
Back over here?
Yeah.
You were over here, weren't you?
I lived on the Eastern Shore since
I
89.
I thought when you first came in with Gary, you were in Pasadena.
I lived for like a year on one of his rental properties. That was back in 2000.
Okay. See, I remember that from somehow. Isn't that weird?
Just for like, it was right across from Four Winds. I lived
Yeah.
there for like a
So,
year maybe.
so it must have been like when the first time I ever met you 20-some years ago?
But it was just quick, big. For the most of my life, I've been living.
Oh, you sure?
Shore.
We're down here in Sherwood Forest today. We're going to take a look at this tree we're doing. Claudia, how you guys doing? Doing good? Where's Felix at? Oh, there he is. Got a 60-foot tree we're doing here. It's gonna be beautiful tonight, all lit up for the holidays, Thanksgiving, Christmas, New Year's. We got some elves all the way up on top of this tree. Guys are way up in there, the harness on, being safe. They're way up on top of that tree. Getting these lights strung, that's gonna be beautiful at night. This is gonna be a good looking tree tonight. That's for sure. People are gonna love this once it's all finished. Alrighty guys, we're gonna head to another job site. And we'll talk to you guys soon. We're gonna head to another job site. You guys got a hurting on this. When we get this job done, they're gonna get to the next tree. We'll talk to you soon. That wraps up another episode of Life of a Contractor. We'll talk to you soon. If you like this, subscribe, and we'll talk to you in the next episode. Talk to you soon.